Hi everyone, it's Nat here from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you something that you definitely need to do before you update your iOS from any version to any version. So I just realized that I was still on iOS 14 like the cave-dwelling troglodyte that I am, and I need to update to 15 because I've got some more tutorial videos to make. And before I do that, I wanted to back it up. Now, traditionally, I haven't backed up my iPhone for such a long time. I used to be able to do it through my iTunes, which is now called Music. So I've opened up my Music and then navigated down to where my phone is. And I said, well, where's the backup? It's normally here. Well, it's actually hiding somewhere else these days, and that's just simply in your Finder. So if you open Finder from the dock down the bottom, you can also go to the Spotlight search and type in Finder. That will open this up, and you'll see that if your phone is plugged into your computer via its charging cable, it should show up there. So here is where I can actually do the backup from here under Backups, and then I can also organize to do the software update as well. So I am going to back this up now, and let's see what happens. It's been a long time since I've done this. Look at that, since the 12th of the 5th, 2021. That is a year ago. Heaven knows how stuffed I would be if I lost my iPhone or it got stolen. So the backup of your iPhone will be stored on your Mac computer, and at any point you can do the Restore iPhone using this button here. You can also go up to the top bar and you can see all the music, movies, TV shows, podcasts, audiobooks, books, photos, files, and info that are currently on that phone. One of the things I could have changed before I hit that backup now is you can see here it's a bit grayed out, but you can choose whether to back up the most important data on your iPhone to the iCloud. You can choose to back up all the data on your iPhone to this Mac, which is the one I like to choose, because that means I've got everything. You just need to make sure you've got the hard drive space for it. So that is how you back up your iPhone, which is heavily suggested, because if anything is going to go wrong with your iPhone in a dramatic way, it's usually going to happen during a software update. Make sure you always back up your iPhone at least once a month. Don't do what I did and leave it for a year. And if you're wondering how the progress of your backup is going, you can find it here. It's got like a little pie graph. I think I've got about 90 gig to back up, so that's why it's going so slowly. And when that's done, I'm going to update my iOS to version 15.3.1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the link in the description for all of my courses and latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.